Like that? Okay. Hey guys, it's
Leah and Sophie.
welcome to Fancy Lamas.
Fancy Lamas.
So today is a video with our cats. If you didn't know why the intro was so weird, it was because we kind of recreated our intro from
Our first video.
And so yeah, this is basically like a better version of how to make a zipper Gimp tutorial, because that one didn't have great quality and you didn't see as much. So now I'm going to show you some how to actually do it with like better quality. Same room, same spot, different bed background, but yeah.
Right, Simbi?
Sophie will be
You ready?
Sophie will be
our lovely camera girl this evening. And I will be our lovely camera girl this evening.
So let's get started. So guys, this is the Gimp I have. I got it from Macy Morris, and it's going to be Halloween colors. Sponsored by Simba. So guys, you're going to need to have 3 pieces of string. I already cut them because I cut them the wrong length, so I'll show you how to cut them properly. You're going to need one really long piece. Like super long. Not super long, but like extremely long piece there. Extremely long piece, and then you're gonna take 2 other pieces and cut them like about maybe half the size. Whatever you cut this one to is gonna be like the size of your piece of, like, if you wanted to make it a bracelet or something, your piece of zipper Gimp. So I'm gonna cut it about like right here. And make sure this one is longer, and if not, then it probably won't work out really well. And then you tie these 3 together into a knot.
Okay, that time. Is it weird that we watched the video before we did this? Yeah. I just watched the intro. According to intro.
Though, okay. Whoa. Okay. Anyway, guys. So now, guys, you can, if you're on a table, you should probably tape this down. But since if you do on the floor like I do, and I'm unprofessional. Oh, you can put a book on top of it, now that I realize. Just have something to hold it down. You don't need to necessarily, but it'll just be easier. Should put that under my foot. Sophie might zoom in, or I'll have to do that later. Okay, so make sure these 2 pieces are in the middle. Then you take your orange one and come in close. You're going to take, I should have made 2 pieces in the middle of the same color so it'll be easier, but just remember the orange one is the long one. You're going to take your longer piece, and then, so you put it over the first shorter piece and under the next one. And the first one's definitely not going to be tight at all, so careful with that. So it's just going to look like this for the first piece, and then make sure you're holding down this one, the black one. Sorry, this is going to be really confusing. Then you put it back over this shorter piece and under the next one. And make sure you pull it up if you want it to be like tighter. And there, you just made your first like loop right there. And then you repeat that step over and under. You can put this video in slow motion and yeah. You can make it fatter if you pull it, then you can make it tighter. You can also leave it so there's like, you can see the green and black in between, but most of the time you're just going to want to push that up probably so you can't see it. But if you push it up, you might need a little bit more of a longer strand. Okay, so now I'm going to go over the black one and under the green one. Sorry, if it's coming undone, then you can just simply push it and pull it back up. Make sure it stays tight and you don't lose its shape. Over, under.
Be so happy, but without you here, I feel so low. I watch you as you left, but I can never seem to let you go. 'Cause once upon a time, you were my everything. It's clear to see the time has
Product. Just remember you keep going over and under and then pull and then over and under again. If you didn't quite catch that. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. This is kind of a remake of our first video. And yeah, hope you enjoyed. Comment down below what other tutorials you want to see next. Bye!
The time that